what's up, it's Jenny. Welcome to another weekly video on my channel. For today's video, I am doing a makeup based off of one of the Titans from Attack on Titan, and specifically doing the female Titan in honor of Annie coming back on the show. I feel like it wasn't that big of a deal for me because I binge watched all of AOT within... I watched it pretty quickly, but also I watched AOT back in middle school, which was a while ago for me. I don't want to talk about how long ago that was for me, but I completely forgot about AOT, and then the final season came out and everyone was hyped up about it, and I'm like, okay, I gotta rewatch the entire thing now. So now I'm all caught up and gonna do a makeup look for the female Titan. Enough talking about that, but we can get right into the video. Okay, so prior to the video starting, I already put on some concealer and foundation, but I didn't do anything more than that, so we're gonna continue on with doing my base makeup. I am taking this NYX Wonder Stick, and I'm gonna do some contour and highlight. Annie has a very, sculpted face for a female, but that also translates into the female Titan facial structure, I don't know. So we're gonna go for a more sculpted contour look. So I'm gonna start up here and then have a sharp angle and bring it down. And quickly on the other side. And then of course we're gonna try to get a sharper jawline. And I'm just gonna do some contour right here. And I'm gonna quickly do my nose contour as normal. And for highlight, I'm gonna go in the same places where the contour was, just right underneath, and the center of my chin, and the center of my forehead, and of course the nose contour. And I'm just gonna take an angled brush and blend this out. Alright, my face is looking a little bit more snatched and a little too oily, so I'm gonna put on some powder now. Alright, now we can get started with the fun part of the makeup look. I am going to be using a water activated eyeliner kit. This is from the brand Claro Psych, but you can use whatever is more convenient for you. And I'm just taking a liner brush. Right now we're going to start with getting all the basic shapes of the female Titan, and we're going to start with the eye. I'm kind of following the natural indent of my eye. I don't really know how to explain it, but yeah, you can just see where I'm going to start. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Okay, got the general shape I wanted for the eyes, and now I'm going to take a square tip brush. This one is a nail art brush, but I barely use it on my nails, so I'm just going to use it for my makeup. And now I'm going to fill in the circles. Alright, we're going to let the eyes dry a little bit, and now I'm going to take that same color and do the outlines that are on the face right here. Here's the reference picture that I'm following. But we're gonna start with a tiny square on the side of each side of the mouth. And then it's not like a perfect square. For me, I liked it when I kind of angled out the top part. Okay, so this shape is more like a pentagon. Not a pentagon. Trapezoid? I have not taken math in so long that I no longer remember shapes, but we're gonna continue on. So this line is gonna be a little bit more thin, or this shape. I'm gonna do the same pointed top. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna later blend it out with some shading. And then the final shape is going to be really long. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Alright, here's what I have so far with the red water activated eyeliner. Next, we're gonna do some more details on the eyes. I'm taking a different water activated eyeliner kit that I have. This one's from Matte Lashes, and I'm taking the square tip brush I was using earlier, and I'm going in this like light orange shade. The female Titan has like these like dots on the eyes, so we're trying to get that aspect. I'm using a square tip brush because I can just do a small little line and it'll be the same idea. And now I'm gonna let this dry for a couple minutes. Okay, it's pretty much dry now, and now we're gonna add some more detail with some brown eyeshadow to add more shading and dimension to the makeup look. I am gonna be taking this angled brush and going in some dark brown eyeshadow. And we're just gonna outline the circle to add more depth to it, kind of to make it look like it's more indented on my face. And I'm also pretty much just gonna fill in the top part of the eyeliner right here with the brown eyeshadow. And I'm kind of being sporadic about it because I'm gonna use my finger to blend it out so that it looks more natural. And I'm kind of letting the makeup like smear around on the outside so that there's a better like transition. And now I'm gonna outline the areas between the orange circles. But I'm gonna be more precise about it because I don't want to blend this in, I want it to be more precise. I don't want the colors to mix. I feel like it's already looking a lot better. I'm gonna continue doing this side of my face and then quickly do this in a time lapse. I'm also gonna outline these shapes right here, but also using like my fingers to blend it out a little bit. Alright, here's one side, and now I'm gonna quickly do a time lapse of this side. Alright, all done with the big parts of the makeup look. I'm just gonna add some lines here and there to add some more definition to my face. So I'm still taking the angled brush and some brown eyeshadow. I'm gonna outline like my chin right here. She has those lines on the Titan. And then some angled lines here as well. I also added some lines to my nose to make it more defined. I am gonna go back in with the red eyeliner I was using and the square tip brush. And I'm just gonna outline lightly the same lines that I put down earlier. Alright, to finish off the eye look, I am gonna be taking some white gel eyeliner and line my waterline to make my eyes pop out more. And lastly is lips. I am gonna be taking my eyebrow pencil and line my lips with that color. And now I'm gonna be taking this orange lip cream I have and just apply it right over that. And lastly, since my lip color that I have is a little bit too light, I'm going to be taking some red lip gloss and put it in the center of my lips and blend it out. Alright, quickly off camera, I'm going to put on some setting spray and some blue contacts in, and we'll go see the final look. Alright, here is the finished makeup look. I really loved how it turned out. I feel like it was pretty simple to do for a female Titan makeup look. I was worried it was going to be too difficult, but it wasn't too bad. But you can let me know what you think about the makeup look in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want more anime and makeup related content in the future. I think for my TikTok videos, I will continue the makeup look down to my neck. For this video, I only did the face, but yeah, if you want to see how that turns out, you can head over there. Right here, somewhere in the video, will be my social media handle that you can just search up on TikTok, Instagram, or Twitter. Yeah, and my social links are also in the description down below. I think that was it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you again next week. Bye!